Hello friends, you are most welcome once again in my YouTube channel Wide Loop Robotic and Automation. Today we are going to see an example of timers with MicroPython by using ESP32 and ESP8266 board. Let us see. This is button and this is LED. Button is connected on GPIO 14 and LED is connected on GPIO 15. Here our task is we are going to make a delay by using timers. So here I will press the button and LED will glow for 5 seconds and then it will turn off. Like same I have already created circuit diagram for ESP8266 board. Button is connected on GPIO 14. It is D5 pin and LED is connected on GPIO 15. It is D8 pin. So we will see programming. I will open MuPyCraft IDE, cancel. I will create a new file and I will import pin class from machine module. I will import time class. I will create a object for LED. LED is connected on GPIO 15 and it is output and button class. Button is connected on 14. Okay. I will take a while loop. I will create a variable button state which is store button value. If button will press, that value will be saved in button state, and here I will take a if condition. If button state is 1, then LED dot value should be 1, means LED will be on. Elif, here I will create a variable for interval time. Is 5 seconds and last time is 0. Sorry. When button will be pressed, then last time will be last time we will store the value of time. Okay, in elif condition time minus last time if greater than or equal to, if greater than interval time, then LED dot value should be 0, means LED will be off. Okay, this is the code. If I will press the button, then time will start and it will be saved in last time and LED will be on. If this is the difference current time and when LED was turned on that time. So if difference time is greater than interval time is 5. If difference time is greater than 5 seconds, then LED will be turned off. It means LED will be turned on for 5 seconds. I am going to connect the board. This is SV32 and save. Delay with timer. I will run. Wow, you can see LED turn on for 5 seconds. When I press the button, the LED turn on for 5 seconds and again turn off. You can use this code in ESP8266 board. You don't need to change anything. I will show you a demo for ESP8266 board. Okay, I will change the board. This is correct, this is correct. Okay, save and run. You can see here it is working like same. When I press the button, LED turn on for 5 seconds. After that LED will be turned off. When I press the button, LED turn on for 5 seconds. After that LED will be turned off. Wow, I hope you understood this for use of timer. So if you really like this video, so please do like, comment and share. Thanks for watching.